told me to cut up like that, boo-boo. Yeah.
Down with it, hold up. Are you down with it? Go ahead, get loud with it. Like you surround with it. On top of that flavor. Say yeah. Down with it. Are you down?
Hey Royals, it's your girl Queen Naturale back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button below and you will officially become a Royal. Now to all my loyal Royals that are back, I hope all is good, like it should, good, would. You get started. Yes, I am. So as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this top knot bun look that I'm wearing right now. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look right here, keep watching and we'll get straight to the video. Action! So the first thing I'm going to do is just take my spray bottle, which has water and conditioner in it, and just spray that all around my hair, get it a little bit damp so that way I can detangle my hair a little bit easier. So I just went ahead and pulled this one to the side. I parted my hair straight down the middle. I didn't really like part it with the comb. I just kind of pulled it apart. It's just simply just a detangle. And then I'm just gonna pull this section apart into two, tie this one up, and then start detangling. So if you have natural hair, you should know that when you detangle your hair, you need to start from the bottom and work your way up, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle this like this. Super simple. Y'all see that curl right? Y'all see that curl right there? Okay. So yeah, this is what the first detangled section looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the rest of my hair and we'll be right back. And I'm back. As you can see, I went ahead and pulled another curl from the other side because I just liked how it was looking, and I'm gonna see if I can kind of like incorporate that into my top knot bun. And now that we've detangled our hair, the next thing that we gotta do is just go ahead and put our hair up in a high bun. This is what it looks like right now. Don't worry, I know it looks hideous. I am not done. I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel and gel my hair up just so I can get it slicked down. I find that this is the easiest way whenever I'm doing a top knot. I'm gonna take my bristle brush and go ahead and slick my hair back. This is gonna be your final bun, so make sure that when you put your hair tie on there, it is exactly where you want it. So I just break it into two sections and then detangle from there, which is already detangled, so it shouldn't be like a lot. Like, it shouldn't take a lot. It's just so that it can have a fuller look. Take my hair, pull it up, twist the top of it, and just pull it around. Pull it around like this. And that's going to start our top knot. So yeah, I just use a lot of bobby pins to get it to that perfect, size that I want it to. But yeah, I just kind of mess with it, and you can just mess with it until you see it looking like how you want to wear it. adding more gel just because I've been, you know, messing with it and my hands have been just rubbing against my, you know, slick back part. And I want to make sure that it's still slick back and it didn't get frizzy. So the next part I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some Eco Styler gel to these pieces right here, just to bring back the curl. Now that we've got that, we can go ahead and do our edges. I know y'all are tired of this Eco Styler gel, but now that I'm done laying my edges, I'm gonna put one last layer around my hair, and then take my scarf and wrap my hair. So yeah, this is the finished product. Nothing too major, really quick, simple, and easy. Well, if you made it this far, congrats. I hope all is good, like it should. Could you wrap it up? Yes, I am. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Remember to be you, stay beautiful, and I will see you next week.
Down with it. Are you down with it? Go ahead, get loud with it. Like you surround with it. On top of that,